Okay, so today we're going to be learning about adding and subtracting fractions using a pictorial model. The T is to represent and solve addition and subtraction of fractions with unequal denominators referring to the same whole using objects with pictorial models. So that's what we're doing. Nate, can you please read our learning focus for today?
Students will be able to explain how to solve for addition and subtraction of fractions using a particular model.
Pictorial model, good job. And then Celeste, will you read our closing comments?
By the end of this lesson, you will be able to define your knowledge of fractions through solving addition and subtraction.
Hey, okay, so I'm going to begin by first modeling to y'all what addition looks like with a pictorial model. I also printed out some multiplication charts just in case y'all need it. I highly doubt y'all will, but it's there. I don't want you to rely on it, but it's there as a reference. Okay. So, Here you go, Mario. Okay, so the one that I'm going to start off by modeling for y'all is the second column. It's the one in the middle. Mario, can you read that out to me, please, what the fraction is asking us to add? This one right here.
2/3 plus 1/2.
Okay. Kind of what I want to go over to before we start is key vocabulary. Celeste, do you know what a denominator is?
Yes.
What does it mean?
The denominator is the number that is your whole.
It's your whole. In terms of a fraction, is it top or bottom?
It's the bottom.
Bottom, right? Nate, where's your numerator in a fraction? Top. Mario, we all know what the word numerator means? Good? Okay. And then equivalent means equal, right? It's equal in value. And then a fraction is just a part of a whole, kind of like Celeste is saying. The denominators are whole, the numerators are part. And then the least common multiple is the lowest quantity that a multiple of two or more given quantities. So whenever we are adding or subtracting fractions, this part's important, so pay attention. They have to have a common denominator. Do y'all know what common denominator means?
Yes.
What is it, Mario? It's the same number, right? So if it was like 6 12s plus 3 11s, is that common denominators? No, right? Celeste, is this a common denominator?
Yes.
Does anybody know why it's important that we have a common denominator?
Because you can add could be not equal. And you can subtract it.
That we would get an incorrect answer, right? Okay, so now that I feel confident I've gone into the vocabulary, I'm going to demonstrate for y'all 2/3 plus 1/2. This is with pictorial models. Is everybody ready to move on? Okay, so the first step you can do is draw a rectangle. Whenever you look at the fraction, so the denominator, I want you to think as pieces, and the numerator, I want you to think as the word shape. So you can write down shape and then pieces next to it. So I need 3 pieces in a rectangle. So I'm going to draw 2 lines, and now it's divided into 3. Does everybody see how I have 3? Okay, so how many pieces am I going to shade in, Nate? 2, right? So I'm going to do 1, 2. So everybody agree that this equals 2/3?
Yes.
Okay, so now I'm going to move on. Whenever you draw your second rectangle for your second fraction, it's important that it's equivalent, equal in size to the first. So you don't want to draw one really small rectangle and one huge rectangle. So for this one, since I drew my lines going horizontal in my first rectangle, I'm going to change it up. My second, I'm going to draw them vertical. So I'm splitting my rectangle into 2 pieces. And how many am I shading in, Mario?
Shading is 1.
1, right, of these? So I'm going to shade it in. Do we all agree that this looks like 1/2?
Yes.
So now we have to add these. So how am I going to do that? I'm going to replicate, which means copy, this rectangle. I'm going to do it exactly how I did it the first time. So I'm splitting it into 3 equal sections. Is everybody there?
Yes.
And I'm shading in 2. So this is 2/3. But I'm trying to add 1/2 to 2/3. So I'm going to take this box, and my vertical line that I drew my 1/2, I'm going to draw here. So now, how many pieces do I have, Celeste? 6, right? And then how many are shaded in right here? 4. So this is still 4, 6. Okay, so then we're going to replicate the 1/2, bring it down. We're going to shade in how we had it. But what did we do with this rectangle?
You split it into half because...
We combined these two, correct? So do you think I have to do that to this one?
Yes.
And what am I finding whenever I say there's 6 pieces? There's 6 here too, right?
Yes. So
So would you agree that the denominators are the same?
Yes.
So with the pictorial model, once we combine how many pieces you get in your rectangle, that's going to be what the new common denominator is. So then we have 3 shaded in here. Okay, so I'm going to take 3, I'm going to shade it, because I'm adding them together. So I'm going to take these 3, bring it over here. But look, I only did 2, right? I didn't have enough room. Nice. I'm going to draw another rectangle. And you're going to make sure it has 6 pieces as well. And then I'm going to shade in my third one.
That's one.
So one hole and one.
There you go. So it's 1 hole and 1 6. Okay. So does anybody have any questions on how to add fractions using the Torah model?
No.
Okay, and then for subtraction, I know we went over this a little bit. It's just you do the opposite. You take it away. Does anybody have any questions on subtraction? Speak over if y'all need to. Over good?
Yes.
Okay, so thank y'all for paying attention. And now what I'm going to do is give y'all individual time to practice, and I want you to start from the first question and work left to right. Y'all each should have got a paper. And you're working silently. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll come around and help you out. And I want to see pictorial model.
24 hours times 14. That's how you do it.
Ooh, Nate, you're going fast up here. So I see you're working on your first fraction right now, Celeste. And then once you completed the first question, I want you to put your pinkies up. Here. So Celeste is almost done. Mario, you finished already, right?
No.
Okay. Now about ready to reveal. Okay, so Mario, put down the answer that you got for number 1 on the board. And on the count of 3, we're going to show each other and we're going to reveal the answer we got. Hold on. Let me get that back on there. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Did y'all get 13/30?
Yes.
13/30, is that how you pronounce it?
Yes.
Nice. Yes.
Yes.
Yay! Okay. Okay, so now this is an exit ticket. I want y'all to complete for me, please, just to see where y'all are at. If you have any more questions over adding or subtracting, if you need my help during it, let me know. But this one's going to be a little bit more challenging because instead of just having operation laid out for you and knowing, right, add here and subtract here, this one is a word problem, so you're going to have to read to figure out, are you adding it or are you subtracting the fraction?
You do it with a pencil?
Yes, this one I want to work on the paper with your pencil, please.
You drawing here, but don't erase it.
You can draw it in there. Okay, so talk to me. Justify, I see all of y'all are adding right now through pictorial models. Explain to me why you're adding it. What in the word sentence did you think I should add?
Ran 1/4 of a mile in the morning. That's your grade. So it's going on to the what is it? What is the total distance Rachel traveled that day? So the whole day.
The whole day?
Yes.
What about what is the total distance? What about the word total?
That would be all together.
All together, right? So whenever I see the word total, I think of a red 5, and I think, okay, they're adding it, so that's a sum. So you're doing a great job. You got it? Let me see. Oops. Good job. Okay, so once you're finished, I will collect the exit tickets from you guys.
my goodness. It says spaces team. I found it.
So I'll see you.
It's on the world's hardest game.
Alright, Mara, you done? Okay, take it, please. Okay, thank you. Celeste, you almost ready? Yay! Okay, I'm very proud of y'all today. I just want to clarify and go back over to our goals today. Do y'all feel confident that you can add and subtract fractions using the pictorial model?
Yes.
Alright, awesome. That's good. That's what we want to hear. Alright, thank you all. You may go back to your seats.